Hi everyone, there's another episode of mine for restoring a suede steering wheel. Bought this for 20 bucks and I think I'm going to use it for my son's racing seat setup in his playroom. So anyway, as you can see, it has been really hardened and a little bit of tear over here. So what we're going to do is probably repair all this worn looking steering wheel. So let's start it off by just cleaning it first, and let me see if I should just replace the suede. And let me see here, I could probably repair this with a brand new one on it. So it's a Sparco steering wheel, it's the real deal. And let's remove the let's start off by cleaning this hardened suede. As you can see, the fiber has been kind of like flattened. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use water just to soften up those dirt. I don't know, let's just see if it works. Loosen it up, and then I'm going to use a metal brush. I'm not going to scrub it, but just to lift those fiber up. So let's find out. Just like that, you see how it's already lifting. So I just soak it with water. I don't know if water is good for suede, but we're going to be conditioning it. See, as you can see, the flat texture, it's starting to lift, and the hair fibers is starting to come up. I don't know if some are breaking apart or anything like that, but as you can see, I don't know if those are dirt, but we'll find out. Let's do a little bit more scrubbing. Not too hard, guys, because if you do hard, it might bulge out the fibrous texture on the steering wheel. So let's just keep brushing, and hopefully we'll get it to be really fuzzy looking like that. The dirt in there is so hard that when I scrub it, as you can, I don't know if you can see it, but the dust is just flaking off. So just have patience, because this is what suede or Alcantara does to your material. Just be patient and just scrub away, just like that. It'll come off and you'll have all this fibrous part right here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and clean it up with the Lexol. This is what I'm using for this suede right over here, and just kind of, give it that clean, I guess this is like a soap or something. It's the best leather cleaner supposedly, so it has a bright pH balance basically. So here's that Sparco discoloration. So I have one of these testers laying around, so I'm gonna fill it up. So what I'm gonna do is just fill it up just like this. I know it looks messy, but we're gonna wipe that off momentarily. So just fill it up just like that, and then I'm gonna wipe it off right now. Got one of those nail polish remover, and then get a flat napkin, not so much fibrous, and just wipe it off a little bit, just like that. See? All right, so it's a little bit more wet, so I'm gonna wait for it to dry so I can clean around it, because you don't want to clean it up while it's still wet. It's gonna spread all the paint and smear some of the paint inside, but that is actually look way better than before, where you can actually read the Sparco now. I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit, and we are almost done here. As you can see, the fibers are back, and earlier it wasn't even like this. So let's do a little bit more cleaning, and we're almost done here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and tackle this issue right over here. I'm gonna cut out a leather piece. I'm gonna cut this out. I'm waiting for this to dry. Ooh, darn it. Ah, man. I'm waiting for it to dry so I could kind of clean it up more. We are almost there. As you can see, it's actually a lot better than earlier. The fibers are lifting now and softer. So I'm gonna take this piece apart right over here, and then we'll refill it with the new suede. Since we get this out of the way. don't know how the old owner got it to this situation. Never took care of it. Anyway, so we're gonna refill this piece right over here. I actually have two colors, the red one, and I think I'm gonna use this dark gray. It's almost the same color as my car, so it has that custom look where it matches the outside as well. A little bit of touches, like, I don't know if you can see, this is a little bit gray, it's not white, so let's try to use this one. I'm using some type of a formula that when it dries out it's clear. You can also use a cement glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the piece that I cut out and wrap around it. And just glue this on with the rubber cement. And it has a irregular shape on top, so I have to follow that shape, so the glue is still there showing, but when it dries it becomes clear. All right, so I also inserted glue underneath this peeling out suede, and then I should glue it permanently. Also gonna repair the back by gluing everything back. So this glue actually, when it dries, it is clear, so that's why I chose this glue. All right, everyone, I'm actually done with this $20 restoration of a Sparco steering wheel. I gave it a little bit of new life. As you can see, there's no more hole on this, and cleaned it up. Thanks for watching, everyone. God bless, and I'll catch you on my next video. Goodbye. Bye.